One of the most enigmatic and horrifying stories from down the centuries is that of a pact, a contract between the devil's representative and a human exchanging soul for unlimited knowledge and worldly pleasures. This is a jaw dropping tale of complexities of human nature interwoven with love, lust, philosophy, spirituality, religion, death, and spiced with unbelievable fantasies. Hello, namaste, and welcome back to another spellbinding episode of Myth, History, and Recipe. Today, I, Jainila, am going to present before you the legend of Dr. Faust and the devil's representative Mephistopheles. This was written by Goethe in the 19th century, and Goethe was one of the most famous German playwright and poet. I have divided the story in two parts. In the first part, we will explore the story that was written by Goethe, and in the second part, we will try to investigate if this character of Dr. Faust was the real person that existed in the 16th century, and we will also analyze the complexities of human nature presented in this novel and play. So let's begin. The story starts in the heavens above, where Mephistopheles, the cunning devil, boasts to God about the corruption he has spread. Confident in his power, he wagers that even the brilliant scholar Faust can be led astray and doomed to eternal damnation. God, unwavering in faith, accepts the challenge, believing Faust will stay true. Next, we see Faust sitting in despair in his study and complaining that he has all the knowledge in the world, yet he still doesn't know the real secrets of the universe. Then he summons the spirit of the earth, goddess Gaia, hoping to find a way out of this and find the answers to these unexplainable phenomena. But Gaia refuses to answer him and leaves, saying that he is too ignorant to know these answers. Depressed Faust tries to end his life by drinking poison. At the same moment, the church bells start ringing, reminding him of Easter and hence saving his life. Next, Faust and his assistant Wagner spend day outside in the city. On their way back home, a black dog follows them and starts barking at them, acting strange. Then it grows bigger and bigger in size. The startled Faust chants a spell, forcing the mysterious dog to reveal its true form. At this moment, Mephistopheles, the emissary of the devil, unveils his true form. So, what do you think about this mind boggling story? Isn't it too good to be true? Mephistopheles has unveiled himself in front of Faust. Will he be able to lure Faust into a dark pact, exchanging soul for worldly pleasures? And if at all Faust agrees, what kind of adventures do you think await him in this supernatural bargain? All these and more in the coming episode, so please stay tuned.